I mean, guys, how could you get tired of that? All right, boys, so today we're gonna be taking out the Mustang. We're gonna be letting it rip. Gonna be testing out the exhaust setup. As y'all can see, do got long tube headers in there. They do got Bluetooth cats. The headers are paired with a X pipe, and then I have Valvetronic active mufflers, but I got them off Alibaba for like 300 bucks. So go save yourself some money. All right, well, that's enough rambling. Let's go hit the road. All right, so let's head out of here. Put the window down so y'all could hear a little bit of the exhaust. Let's switch the car over to sport mode in order to get the most amount of sound possible when we're just driving normally. All right, boys, so we finally made it to Mexico. We're hitting these back roads right now so we can get some good exhaust clips for y'all. The windows are down, so y'all might hear some wind. I don't know how good the camera is gonna be able to cut that out. But right here we have some windy roads. Some pretty aggressive downshifts, a little. I mean, this thing gets rowdy, boys. It gets rowdy. There's probably some neighbors outside. They're probably just reporting us to the cops right now. So we're gonna show you what the downshifts sound like right here. Coming up to a stop sign. All right, and this is just a little second gear pull. So as y'all can see, the headers definitely add a lot of rasp to the car. It's kind of good though. It sounds kind of good to the ear. All Coyotes do sound this way, so I mean, you know a header Yoti when you hear one. We'll do a little pull right here. Do a little pull. Let's see. And then go into second gear, first gear. I mean, this bitch pulls, guys. It pulls pretty hard. We're gonna get a Whipple thrown on it in about 2 or 3 weeks. So if anybody in the Mexico area wants to get a couple races in, we could do that. I do plan on getting a drag pack for this car. I'm gonna get it probably in the next week. I'll make a video on that once we go make it a marketplace deal. And we'll meet up with the guy and we'll buy the wheels and then we'll put them on the same video. Hopefully y'all enjoy that too. All right, let's get a few clips in over here. We're getting up there, boys. We get up there. We're gonna throw this puppy in drag strip mode and do a little pull. Hopefully don't get hit by any cars. We're gonna do a 40 pull. All right, y'all ready? All right, boys, that was a pretty good pull. That was in drag mode, as y'all saw. Drag mode, you feel the shifts a lot more. The shift points are so aggressive in this car. This 10R80 is putting in some work. We're gonna go do another pull in this one back road I know. Let's hit this right here. I'll meet y'all boys there in a second. Alright boys, we arrived at the spot. Time to put the car in go fast mode. Damn, we were boogieing. After all those rips, boys, so y'all can see, the only thing about this car is that we do run a little hot from time to time. We're at 230 for the oil temperature. I do need to change to full synthetic, but apart from that, can't complain. One thing I wanted to say, guys, is that I do plan on getting a Whipple very soon. Maybe I'm gonna go with VMP, as their prices do seem to be a little bit better, and they come with smaller pulleys. And I think if you get a stage 3, you get a carbon fiber intake, which I know it does nothing, but it looks cool, you know? And for like 2.6K or something, I honestly feel like there's just no better bang for the buck. Apart from like headers and stuff, we've done very minor mods as in like interior stuff. We added starlights. I have a rear seat delete, and I mean, apart from that, the car is on wheels and lowered. Basically what everybody else has done to their car. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Trying to go home from Mexico. It's getting kind of late. Can't film content at night, really. It gets too hot out here. But yeah, if y'all guys like the build and want to see more stuff in the future, especially a 10R80 Whippled car, we should be aiming for around like 900 to the wheel, and we will be street racing this car. So this ain't gonna be no garage kept, no nothing. We will be abusing this car. So if y'all like that kind of stuff, y'all want to see some big pot races, let me know. Like the video and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys.